Reflect after you watch this video. From my last video, I said that this word or is quiet. Hindi siya obvious, pero it causes so much damage over time. You don't say it out loud. You don't tell other people. You just say it to yourself, like internally. Usually when you are tired, mas nangingibabaw to. The thing is, most of the time, you don't even notice you're doing it anymore. Calling yourself these words slowly lowers your confidence and it makes stress feel heavier. It makes it harder to move even when you want to. And here's a situation you might relate to. Example, tired ka, napapagod ka, stress ka, ang daming ganap ngayong araw na to. And then anxious ka na for days. Tapos gusto mong maging okay, gusto mong maging functional. But your body feels heavy and your mind feels low. Then this thought comes in. I don't say the word yet, pero nararamdaman mo na low energy ka, tapos less capable. That's when this word shows up. Yung word na to is, I am weak. Again, I am weak. Sounds familiar ba? So when you say this to yourself, it's like you're erasing all the effort you have made, all the times you showed up. And I know, when you've been talking to yourself this way for years, parang nagiging default na siya, no? So next time na maobserbahan mo yung sarili mo na sasabihin mo to, pause ka muna. Then say this instead. Pwede mong sabihin na, okay, I'm only human. It's okay to feel stress. Or I'm doing the best I can right now. Hindi nito ibig sabihin na magiging okay ka agad. Hindi rin ibig sabihin na hindi ka nahihirapan o hindi ka mahihirapan. It just means you're not making things harder for yourself. Ano mo yung dinagdagan mo pa ng paghihirap yung sarili mo. So, quick reminder lang, how you talk to yourself matters. Not because it fixes everything, but because it affects how you carry stress every day. So, be a little kinder to yourself, not just today, but every day. And don't forget to watch part 1 and part 2. Thank you.